Hcti update. So it is up 2.06% in this pre-market session. That is today, the 21st of May, 2025. Let's see now. I think yesterday they disclosed earnings outcomes. It says here, let's see. This is from its 10Q report. It says total revenue is $3.7 million, decreased 10% compared to the same period last year due to reduced revenue from software services, managed services and support, and platform services. Cost of revenue exclusive of depreciation and amortization, $3.4 million, increased by 9% compared to the same period last year. Loss from operations, $1.4 million, improved from a loss of $1.7 million the same period last year, indicating a reduction in operating expenses. And net income, which was a loss, improved from a net loss of $1.9 million in the same period last year. Net loss per common share, basic and diluted, was a loss of $0.17, improved from a loss of $0.42 in the same period last year, reflecting a decrease in net loss and an increase in weighted average shares outstanding. Business highlights: the company operates in three distinct segments: software services, managed services and support, and platform services. Software services revenue decreased by 14% to $1.73 million. Managed services and support revenue decreased by 5% to $1.9 million, and platform services revenue decreased by 20% to $0.07 million for the quarter ended 31st of March 2025. Customer concentration: the top five customers accounted for 57% of total revenue in the quarter ended March 31st, 2025, compared to 70% in the same quarter of the previous year. Customer one contributed, or rather, one customer contributed 20% of the total revenue, while a second contributed 18%. A couple of other things. Yeah, let's see now. On this is its 4-hour chart. What we have is that the extrapolation is saying that there's going to be a spike towards 0.0918. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. That's not a prediction. It's just what the machine learning tool has extrapolated. So let's see now. In terms of projections, we have very ambitious ones. We have 0.302, 0.3028, 0.3121, 0.4286, 0.5006. No guarantee that any of those will print. Okay, let's have a look at its daily chart. On its daily chart, we have weakness is expected up till when? Up to tomorrow, the 22nd of May, and some really low prices. And after that, we might see a rebound up till the strength is expected to come in up till the Tuesday, the 3rd of June, with a value of around 0.1249. This is not a prediction. There's no guarantee it will happen as well. Let's see now. We have projections, upper projections here: 0.2739, 0.3273, 0.3604. Okay, so that's what's going on. But ultimately, what has been extrapolated on its daily chart is a contraction, more of, if you like, a neutral contraction. But the peak of the peak of the period, that is up till 1st of July, will be first around early June, maybe around 3rd of June or thereabouts. With highs of around 0.1204. Okay, let's see now what's going on right now in this pre-market session. Let's see the amount of shares people are picking up. That can help indicate how liquid the market is for the stock. Let's see now. It's quite decent. I guess since it's a cheap stock, it will have this sort of decent volumes. We have here. Let's see. We have yeah, not much is going on. Still stock in well, the market hasn't opened yet, and not everybody can really participate in this pre-market session. This is not really available to. This is the pre-market session. It's really not available to a lot of market participants. Yeah, a decent amount of shares are crossing the table. It could be more, but it could also be worse than this. It could also be worse than this. As I mentioned, maybe because it's only $0.01, so it will definitely attract a lot of participation. We can jump over to its 1 minute chart to see what is if there's any really ambitious projections in a very short time. Let's see now. We have some projections here. Well, we have yeah, some downward projections 0.0099, 0.0097, 0.0096, 0.0104, 0.0107, 0.0108. Yeah, that's not a lot. The 10-minute chart, let's see what we have. We have, let's see now, some projections, but they're still within the sort of area it's currently trading at right now. We have 0.0091, 0.008. These are down projections 0.0085, 0.0080, 0.0110, 0.0116, 0.0119. Yeah, let me have a look and see if it's has any data on its weekly chart. Okay, no data. It's not been trading for. Doesn't have enough data on its weekly chart. Okay, let's see the sort of projections we have here. We have 0.9895 on its weekly chart. Okay, okay, still holding the gains of 3.09%. Nothing. I mean, the market hasn't opened. Nothing. Not a lot is going on. Not a lot is going on. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.